Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you all few red lipstick shades in affordable range. I think this lip color never goes out of trend. Everyone enjoys wearing different shades of red lipstick on certain occasions, festival and weddings. So I thought it's a right time to share few shades of red that goes perfectly with Indian skin tone, as festivals and weddings are right around the corner. So let's get started, but before, do subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get notified.